So here's the panel wall that I built with the fireplace in it. It's all finished up. Let me show you how I made it. In here, cutting a couple of the legs coming down for the front. And then here's a pocket hole jig that I use to put them together with. Drilling the holes here right now. There you can see a little bit better. Get the clamp on there. And we run the screws in. Pretty basic. Pretty good joint. Yep, there she is, nice and tight. Here's another look at it. You get it all together, it's pretty strong. Stand it up there. Fixing it to the wall. You'll see what that gap on the bottom is about here in a little bit. Now I'm cutting some of the panel molding to go in between the boxes there. Little glue, couple nails, just like that. So here's the panels all done. Now we just gotta trim it out. Out in the parking lot, cutting the top here. Boom, boom, boom. Now I just gotta put the rest of it in. Boom. So there's the baseboard going together. See the gap now is getting covered up. A couple nails. Working on the crown mold now. I'm gonna go underneath to the top. Here's Jamie painting. Laying it on pretty thick. Making me look good. Putting the shoe mold going across the bottom. Couple nails, boom, boom. Now it's time to put the fireplace in. 4 screws, 1 in each corner. There it is, all done. Fireplace is on. Ended up hanging a huge TV over the top of it. Turned out really nice. Thanks for watching.